Welcome to another Lowdown on Lockdown presented to you by SeaTac Lighting and Controls. We're excited to announce the addition of Avi-on to our lighting controls lineup, a Bluetooth wireless mesh-based system. The simplicity, effectiveness, and expansiveness of the Avi-on system make it a great solution for healthcare, parking garages, parking lots, warehouses, manufacturing facilities, offices, and everything in between. Avi-on is capable of turning every light fixture, sensor, and switch into a BLE Bluetooth beacon, creating a virtually limitless mesh network. Let's take a closer look at that Bluetooth mesh network. Many mesh networks have a main head-end unit tying the entire system to a focus point. Avi-on removes the head-end requirement, allowing up to 4,000 devices to communicate, creating a thick, reliable, and latency-free mesh network. When you hear Bluetooth, you might think of your headphones pairing to your smartphone. This system uses a high-powered, more efficient version of that same technology to communicate from device to device. So how does the system come together to create such a reliable mesh network? By using specifically designed Bluetooth communicating sensors, switches, relay packs, fixture adapters, and power supplies, you can easily see how Avi-on provides a reliable network throughout your project. Okay, great, the system looks simple, but how about programming? Programming the system is simple as well, since all you need is a cell phone with Bluetooth connection. After downloading the app and setting up your profile for the project, you will have the ability to access all of Avi-on's features. Favorites allows you to prioritize your use of the system with your favorite devices, groups, or scenes. Visit the schedule section to set astronomical time clock or just time schedules for any portion of your building. You can easily adjust your white tuning fixtures from the app as well. Scenes allow you to illuminate areas based on specific lighting needs, times, or activities, and can be activated using the app or a button on an Avi-on wall station. The devices section allows you to see and adjust any device that has come up on the Avi-on system and will also show you where any potential faults might be. The Groups tab allows you to set easy programming across groups of devices. Program your color changing devices with the Avi-on app as well. Wall station setup is simple, as the app brings up the wall station that you're referencing and you get to select each button and tell the app what you want that button to do. You can download the app for free on the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. For more information about the Avi-on lighting control system, contact your local SeaTac lighting controls representative.